Welcome to our log cabin in the woods. In this episode, Sarah is painting polyurethane on the interior log walls, and Paul is hanging more tongue and groove boards in the gable ends of the great room. Okay, this is October the 4th. It's a Saturday. It's another hot day. It's about 87 degrees out right now. And we have been out here since about 9:30, and it's about 2 o'clock at the moment. And last week, Paul got all of this tongue and groove up in this gable end done with a little bit of help from me. Most of it was him. And Sarah and I have been doing polyurethane on walls. And let me show you over here. She's doing some now. This is the master bedroom. I did the all around the room once. This is our last wall, and she's doing the logs down below, which keeps me from having to stoop down to take care of them. Hannah came out last weekend and she helped me caulk these walls. So Hannah did this wall here, and then I did the one with the windows in it. So we need 2 coats of polyurethane, but today we'll get 1 done, and then we'll be almost out of polyurethane, so we won't have anything else to paint until we get more urethane. And let me show you how the bathroom is. Okay, master bathroom. I got 2 coats of polyurethane on here. Did that last week. So it's nice and shiny, and I think it looks pretty good. We got the bathroom vanity. It's sitting in the garage ready to be installed, but we need to put the floor in first because this is a vanity that sits on legs instead of a base. So we need to put the floor in first, and we haven't picked that out yet. We do have the tile for the tub surround though. But we need to find something also for the shower, so still have a lot of work to do. And Paul is working on this wall. He's got 1 board up, got all the nailers in, and this is his setup. Extension ladder leaned up against the wall. So I'm going to shut the camera down, and I'm going to help him out for a while. there. I think some polyurethane on the log walls. And this is the hallway to the garage. Sarah, put some on the logs you haven't done yet. I go down lower. Go ahead, start in the corner. Yeah. There we go, that's better. And get all the way to the wall. And start in the very corner and go. Good job. She's doing a really good job. Got a little rolly chair.
Thank you for watching this episode. We hope you'll join us next time as we continue building our log cabin in the woods.